ก็ในโอกาสนี้นะครับในนามของมหาวิทยาลัยราชภัฏพระนครศรีอยุธยาก็ขอบคุณครับทางท่านกรรมการบริหารสมาคม ECTI ที่ให้เกียรติกับทางมหาวิทยาลัยนะครับให้เป็นเจ้าภาพจัดใหญ่เวิร์กช็อปในวันนี้ครับขอบคุณท่านอาจารย์นักวิจัยทุกท่านที่มาร่วมงานในวันนี้เราหวังเป็นอย่างยิ่งว่าเราก็จะได้พัฒนางานวิจัยของเรานะครับแล้วก็มีเครือข่ายนะครับในอาจารย์ในสถาบันอุตสาหด้วยกันนะครับพัฒนางานวิจัยของประเทศไปด้วยกันแล้วก็มีความสุขนะครับแฮปปี้นะครับกับการที่มาจังหวัดอยุธยานะครับขอบคุณทุกท่านครับ
On behalf of ECTI Association, we would like to express our warm welcome to you all to the second ECTI workshop on BEC and the third ASEAN-UEC workshop, December 10, 2021, hosted by ราชภัฏพระนครศรีอยุธยา University in Thailand. This workshop joined together this year. This creates a wider forum for academia and researchers for sharing their experiences and knowledge. We heard that this year a number of submitted papers is higher than the previous year, even we are facing a COVID-19 pandemic situation. This shows that these workshops are paying good attention and participation to our colleagues in both domestic and internationally. We would like to thank our Chair of ECTI Bioengineering, Professor Yochanan, Chair of ECTI Electronics, Professor Grit, and Chair of ECTI Telecommunication, Professor Chanon, who are dedicated their effort to organize this workshop together with the UEC and other partners.
Now, I would like to welcome all of you to the third ASEAN-UEC workshop on informatics and engineering for SDG, jointly held with ECTI workshop on BEC. This joint workshop is held in Ayutthaya, Thailand on site, also held online. I'm very pleased that we finally realized this new joint workshop on ECTI and UEC.
สวัสดีท่านที่มาร่วมงานนะครับในออนไซต์ด้วยนะครับแล้วก็ขอสวัสดีท่านที่ร่วมงานจากทางบ้านด้วยนะครับผมในนามของวารสาร ECTI Transaction on EEC นะครับซึ่งเป็นมีความยินดีมากๆนะครับเป็น1 ใน 4ของวารสารที่ถูกเลือกให้มาที่ให้มาร่วมกับงานคอนเฟอเรนซ์ที่เราจัดขึ้นนะครับ
Hello everyone, good morning, colleagues and friends. Actually, Professor Krishna, who is the in charge of editor of CIT, will come on the stage, and he is the dean and he is busy. So, on behalf of the editor, I will announce the special issue of ECTI CIT transactions. The main point of ECTI CIT is free of charge for paid charge, open access, and Scopus Q4 index. So, participants in Thailand, in Ayutthaya, and from overseas, UEC, Japanese colleagues, please extend your paper submitted to this workshop, at least 8 pages, and submit to ECTI CIT and also EEC that Professor Chanon announced a moment ago. Thank you very much.
It has been my great pleasure and honor to share with you my idea of how ICT can help achieve the SDGs this morning. As has been introduced by Mr. Ishibashi, I'm currently Emeritus Professor of Waseda University, but also I am a part-time lecturer at the UEC.
I would like to present with the title of a lithium battery based smart power wall for energy storage system and electric vehicle charger station. My name is Ferry Adrianto. I come from Department of Electrical Engineering, 11 Maret University, UNS, Indonesia.
Present my talk entitled UAV Assisted Communication for Performance Improvement in Cellular Network. And this talk is done in our group of Advanced Wireless Communication in Le Quidon Technical University in Vietnam.
Hello and good morning. I have been in contact and in collaboration with UEC since last 20 years.
Here is the location of UEC. UEC is located in Tokyo, Japan, and it's a Chofu City, which is very convenient place. Only takes 15 minutes by train from the center of Tokyo.
I'm from Chiang Mai University, Chiang Mai, Thailand. Today I would like to update you in terms of the basic concept of the solar energy produce energy to the electrical, to the electric energy to the grid and standalone application. It's just only the basic concept of the solar cell application, and also second presentation about the direction of the solar energy application. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, online and on-site in meeting room from ราชภัฏพระนครศรีอยุธยา University. Today, I am present Thailand case as area-based collaborative research.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen in Ayutthaya, and also good afternoon the audience from in the online. Today what I want to talk is about the clinical thermometer. That is very important because of this is one of the screening method that we use in the situation of the COVID-19 pandemic.